welcome. I'm Chef Peter. Today we are cooking at the kitchen at Cork and Platter, and I want to show you how to make a Greek-style spinach and feta deep dish pizza. We have here a third cup of warm water. We add 1 package of dry rising yeast to it and 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. We stir that all around. This process is called blooming. So it will be kind of bubbly on top and you will see that the yeast reacts with the water. Now we're going to take 3 cups of flour to our mixing bowl and we let it all run on low speed and add our water and yeast mixture to our flour. Add to that a third cup of olive oil and blend it all nicely together. Now our dough is ready and we got it out of the KitchenAid. What we want to do right now, we take a big mixing bowl and we brush it with oil. We don't want the dough to stick in it, so you want to brush the whole mixing bowl with oil. And just place your pizza dough in the middle and then brush it again with oil and then put it in the refrigerator for about 45 minutes so it can rise. Our pizza dough got a couple hours of rest and it's well risen and we are ready to roll it out. We're gonna make the Greek style pizza a deep dish pizza. So we got our pizza form already over here. We got a deep dish form. And we roll our dough out just a little bit bigger than our form is. And put it in our pizza form. And press it around the edges a little bit. What you want to do so your dough bakes a little bit quicker, take a fork and just punch little holes all over your pizza dough at the bottom of it. This helps it to bake faster. Then we got 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise here. We spread that nicely out at the bottom of our pizza. And top this with a ½ pound of spinach. Top of that we add a half red onion sliced, a half red bell pepper sliced, 2 tablespoons of pimentos, then a ½ cup of feta cheese, and a ½ cup of mozzarella. At the end, we add about 10 to 12 Kalamata olives and bake that all in the oven at 400 degrees for about 15 to 18 minutes. Let's take it out. And here we go. We got our beautiful deep dish Greek style pizza.